My name is Bruce Bryant. I'm 72 years old, and I had a full knee replacement here at Piedmont. I was in law enforcement for 46 years. I spent the last 20 years of my law enforcement career as sheriff of this county. I made a lot of trails throughout my career. My wife, Blanche, we have 4 daughters. We have 9 grandchildren. We have 4 great-grandchildren. I love to camp. You know, it was hard to go to a campsite and set up the camper and do the things that we wanted to do. I was in constant pain. That's when I knew that I had to have something done to my knee to find some relief. My doctor told me that it really needed replacing, and we could do it robotically here at Piedmont and Fort Mill. Dr. Went is the surgeon. I can't say enough about him. Very, very thorough. I wouldn't choose anybody else now that I've gotten to know him. I was going to physical therapy, and I had another week left in physical therapy, and the physical therapist said, "You're doing so well, I don't think you need to come back next week." So I was really excited. I had the movement in my knee that they expected me to have. The technology that's here today, here at Piedmont in Fort Mill, is the same technology that you would find in hospitals in other areas like Charlotte. Having Piedmont Medical Center here in Fort Mill, it's been a blessing.